I'm Melissa West from Pinellas County Extension. I'm here with Max, a new homeowner.
Hi, Melissa. Nice to meet you. So during the summer months, I saw a lot of rain coming down on the side of my house, and I wonder if a rain barrel would be a good idea.
Oh, sure. There's lots of benefits to getting a rain barrel. One would definitely be reducing your stormwater runoff. And clean stormwater runoff is any of the water that's coming off of your house, and it collects anything along its way across your landscape. That could be anything from chemicals to pesticides to debris. And then it takes that water and all those contaminants out into our local bodies of water, where it can have negative effects on our water quality and also on aquatic ecosystems. Also save money by using a rain barrel because you're reducing your need for irrigation. By collecting that water in the container, you're stopping it from running all over your landscape and creating erosion.
I've seen the rain come off different locations of the house. Is there a proper way to place it?
Sure, you're going to want to put your rain barrel where most of the water's coming off. That may be a location that has a gutter, but a gutter is not required. You can use it in a spot on the corner or maybe a valley of your roof where a ton of water's coming off. That is an option. So with a rain barrel setup, there's 5 components. We have our catchment area, which would be our roof due to its large surface area. Next, we have a conveyance system. That can either be your gutters or you can have it free falling from the corner. Next, you need your storage system. So that would be your rain barrel. Typically, those are about 50 to 55 gallons. Next, you want to think about filtration, and that could be something as simple as window screening over the top with a bungee cord. And then we want to think about how we're going to use that water once we've collected it. So we have our spigot down there. We can either use the spigot to fill a watering can or a bucket, or we can also hook up a hose if that's the way we want to go about doing that. So real simple, 5 easy steps, and you have your rain barrel system. A rain garden is a vegetated area that collects rainwater that comes off a roof or landscape. The water is then filtered back into the ground where it recharges our groundwater resources. When creating a rain garden, there's a few things to take into consideration. First would be the depth of your rain garden. You want it to be about 4 to 8 inches deep. You want to take in consideration the type of soil you have present. Here in Pinellas County, you most likely have sandy soil. And finally, you want to take in consideration how big of a surface area you have draining into your rain garden coming off of your landscape and your roof. Finally, once you've dug your rain garden, you can start planting your plants. You want to think about plants that have different heights, bloom times, and that are tolerant to standing in water for long periods of time. By adding different kinds of plants in your rain garden, not only is it aesthetically pleasing, you're also adding vegetation that can attract wildlife.